welcome to my 9th C# tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use methods, and we're going to call some other methods just to show you how they work and how you can use them. They're very useful and they're key for programming in C#. If you wonder why I've got YouTube open, I am uploading 2 more tutorials, well 7 and 8 while I create this. So first of all, go ahead and create a console application called methods or whatever you want. Okay, so as you know already, whenever you create your project, it'll create the source code for you automatically. So first of all, we are going to say you've got your main method. Okay, this is where you write the code to start off your program, but you don't want to just write reams and reams of code in one method. It looks untidy and unorganized and unstructured. So what you do then is you create other methods to spread it out, and also to help you read your code if you ever come back to it and understand, you know, what code does what. So you can break it down into methods. So say we want to print out hello world. Okay, we could just put it in here or we could leave this for the, you know, the setup of the program, and then let another method do the printing out and the waiting for the key and stuff like that there. Okay, so first of all, what we need to do is we need to create a way of identifying which class our method's in. You probably mightn't understand this too well just at the minute, because our programs have all only had one class. Whenever you have more than one class, you may want to use methods from other files. Okay, so you might have, okay, we've got program.cs here. You might have other ones like you know, load file. You know, you might have a separate file for loading it. It organizes it even more. So we need a way of identifying it. So we need to create a way of doing this. So you write program, because our method is going to be in the program class. Okay, and then we give it a name. This is very similar to creating a variable. So we're gonna write this class. Okay, that's what we're gonna call it. Now we need to set it equal to new program. Okay, very simple. So really what this is saying is use this to reference any methods in this class, in the program class. Don't really worry about this. This is just setting it up. This is just giving it all the information, or all the classes that it can use, that are sorry, all the methods that it can use in this file. Okay, so now we need to create our method. So like before, we are going to use we're not going to use static this time, because, well, we don't need to. I'm not going into that in a minute. We need to state its data type or return type, and in this case it's going to be void again. In the next tutorial I'll probably cover giving data and parameters to your method, and also returning information from your method. So void, we're going to call it print out. Okay, so print out is the name of it. You can name it whatever you want, and then we have 2 brackets, and the brackets are going to be empty because it doesn't take any arguments. Okay, and in here you should know this bit by now. If not, you need to go and check out my other tutorials. Okay, so now if we run this now, I'll show you what it does. Nothing. Okay, because this code is never called. All that happens now is your program loads, goes to here because it's your main method, runs this code, and then ends, because this code doesn't actually do anything. So what we do, this will be the easiest way to explain to you what this code does. So we have this class. Now if we put a full stop, this is all the things that you can do. Now print out is here because it's in this class, and we can, you know, call that method. So we're just going to call print out and save it, and we shouldn't get any errors, and we run it, and there we have hello world. Simple. That's really all there is for most methods. The only other thing we're going to look into now is changing this to maybe an integer or a string and passing in arguments, which are really so simple you will have no problem with it all. The hardest bit is just getting your head around this code here, and once you start actually using it yourself you'll find it very easy. So thank you for watching, and check out the next tutorial. It's coming up about more advanced methods. Thanks for watching.